board? Everybody can see the board?
Yes, sir.
Okay. To see all the tables, you're not there yet, Mr. Daniel, right? But you have to query the DBA underscore tables. Data dictionary view. Data dictionary view. Right? The DBA tables, you also have the all underscore tables. Right? And then you also have the user underscore tables. You understand? Right? So now you're not there yet. You're gonna learn about this in week 5.
Oh, okay.
I get this a lot from what I'm saying. I just want to know, right? We're not there yet. But as the HR user, right? If you're logged in as the HR, okay, because right now you're logged in as a DBA. Are you not? So when you do show user, are you logged in as a DBA? Or are you logged in as HR? Tell me.
As DBA.
You're logged in as DBA. Okay, so you can query any of these. Doesn't matter. Right? All these data dictionary views are open to you.
Okay.
But if you were logged in as the HR, then you probably want to use this one, right? Because you definitely can't use this one. You understand? Right? You can use this one, but it's only going to show you your schema. So now, if you're logged in as DBA, you simply run this command: select table underscore name from DBA underscore tables where owner equals HR. Or if you wanted to flip that, right, and you wanted to see multiple at the same time, you change this instead of equal, you change this to what? N. Then you do what? HR quotes, let's say Scott, all caps. Then let's say OE, for instance, right? Then you can order by what's this? Order by one. You see that? Right. So now it's going to show you all the table names and it's going to order it by what? No, actually, let's select table name. Actually, don't order by 2. Let's do order by 2. Then add owner as well. So you can see the difference.
Okay.
So you do select table name from an owner from DBA tables where owner equals HR, or where owner in HR Scott OE. Let me remove this so you're not confused. Okay. Where owner in HR Scott OE or whatever schema you're looking for, right? Then you order it by 2, which is by owner. So it's going to go from HR to OE to Scott in alphabetical order, ascending order, right? So that way you know. But first, what I would want you to do is get familiar. You're not there yet at all. Right? You'll learn all about all this in week 5. But the first thing you should do is describe this table. Describe the DBA tables. It gives you everything you need to know about all the tables. Everything you need to know about all the tables, it will show you. You understand what I'm saying? Yes. So that's how that works. So you have DBA tables, DBA owners, DBA users, DBA table spaces, DBA, a bunch of data dictionary views. But you're not there yet. But since you want to know, this is how you get it done. Make sense?
Makes sense. Thank you.
Beautiful, beautiful. Good question. Mr. Jerry, what you got? All right, Mr.
Yeah, Tracy, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Am I through?
What's going on?
Oh, okay. No, just following through, man. That's all good. Just following through.
Beautiful.
Just want to be a part of the class. Yeah, that's all.
Beautiful. All right, we have almost packed house today. Okay. All right, Mr. We have a new person, Mr. Daniel was new, and also Mr. Atto. Are you there? I just saw you, Mr.
Yes,
Nicholas.
sir, I'm right here.
Hey, Mr. Nicholas, how you doing?
Pretty good. How you doing, sir?
Have you started doing everything? You started watching the videos, right?
Yes, sir, I did.
Beautiful. Hey, we shipped you out your laptop, so we sent you the tracking number, right?
Yeah, I'll look it up. I'm just waking up just now from bed.
Oh, I got you.
So yeah, I took a little nap. So yeah.
Beautiful. Do you have any questions based on the videos that you watched so far?
No, I'm good. I'm good. Since it's just basic Linux and since I've already taken the class before, so pretty much I'm in there. I'm in there.
You don't have any questions at all. If you have any questions, now's your time. You sure? You good?
Yeah, I'm good for now.
Beautiful, beautiful. By the way, hey, you got a security clearance. Hey, I'm gonna be on you. So you gotta hurry up. You gotta hurry up and get a job.
All right, that's what I need right now.
Bro, like ASAP. Go listen, you need to hurry up and finish this course because you will probably be making at least $100 an hour.
I'm looking forward to it.
Are you in the Air Force right now?
Yeah, I'm still here in the reserve, so
Oh, reserves. You only work once a month, right?
1 week in a month, yeah.
1 week in a month. Bro,
Yeah.
like, come on, like everything is gravy for you. Like it's gravy for you. Like
I know.
that security clearance is mad. It's crazy. So all your friends that have clearances, better tell them not to waste it.
I'll get them hooked up. I'll get them
All of
hooked
them,
up.
except all those guys.
You know, people always want you to make that initial step, and when they see the success, they just want to follow. So
Don't worry,
that's
leave
what I'm about
them.
to do.
It's all good.
They'll learn from my story.
Yes, sir. Too much story. So anyway, keep pushing. Like once you get your laptop, get to work, and of course we'll be here.
Sounds good.
Yes, sir. All right. Who else got a question? Tell me. Mr. Coy, talk to me. Okay, Mr. Coy is not there. Okay.
Hello, can you hear me?
Hey, Mr. Coy, what's going on?
Yes, I thank
Hey,
you
what's
for
going on? Tell me.
the laptop you sent me.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Uh-huh.
Have you started using it?
I have not yet started because of the I'm watching your.
Why? Tell me why.
I'm
Look
watching
at my
your
eyes and tell
videos.
me why.
The
Tell me
first
why.
question. The
Tell me
first
why.
question. Yeah,
Tell me
the first-
why. Why did you start?
The first question is this: how do the laptop is it configured for me to do RAC on it immediately?
No. Remember, you're doing data guard first before you do RAC.
Okay, I have to do data guard first.
Yeah, do data guard first. No, you got to do data better. Hey, all you guys that are doing the advanced course, you better get your brain warmed up with data guard first before you venture into RAC. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Hold on, let me get a seat. So, guys, listen, we're getting into the big leagues now, right? So all this stuff, a lot of you guys, right? I'm hoping you guys also did the 12C projects. I'm hoping you guys did it.
I did
it.
it.
You guys didn't just go from project 8. Now you did you're going to the, no. Guys, you guys got to do those 12C projects as well. Are you kidding me?
I did all the 12C projects.
Beautiful. So what I'm saying is before you do RAC, yeah?
Okay.
Before you do RAC, make sure you do data guard. Slow down. Guys, slow down. Oh, you guys think that you've seen something? Okay. Wait till after this weekend. When you guys see all the extra stuff I'm going to put in the advanced class. Oh my God. You guys haven't seen anything yet. Like the RAC, I'm going to add more stuff into it. Of course, Golden Gate, I'm going to add more stuff to it. Yeah, I mean, you guys are gonna work. So what I'm saying is, and then with the RAC, so the way you guys have it now, right, is you guys have to physically create it, the cluster. You have to physically create the cluster. Meaning, yeah, you guys got to go buy equipment.
Okay,
yeah, that's how I did it.
What kind of equipment are we supposed to buy?
Cheap desktops.
Okay,
that you're going to set up somewhere in your house. You just set it up somewhere in your house. So I show you all this in the video in the course. You're gonna need
a desktop.
Yeah, you're gonna need three desktops, and then
three?
Yes. Okay. Because
okay,
you guys need to know how to build a cluster.
Okay.
These things don't have to be expensive. Go to one of these secondhand places, and you can buy a desktop for like I don't know, like $80 to $100. You understand what I'm saying? So that's like $240. Then you guys are going to need to buy NIC cards. They're called network cards.
Okay, NIC cards.
You're going to have to buy the NIC cards. Then you guys
Okay.
know how to put it in the back of the machines. See, you
Okay.
gotta do this. I'm telling you guys to do this because you guys need to be able to talk about it, to know what you're talking about. You understand what I'm saying? So you're gonna have to put those NIC cards in the back, right? Low profile NIC cards. Low profile. I'll say it again. Low profile. See, the NIC cards, yeah, the low profiles are short. So they can slide into the slot in the back of your computer. No issue.
Okay.
So when you get each desktop, whoever you buy your desktop from, don't get anything expensive. Right? Just tell them, hey, you need multiple slots, and they'll have that in the back so that you tell, hey, I need to put another NIC card in it, a private.
Okay, the one that has multiple slots.
Yes, because you're going to have to put a private NIC. See, guys, listen. Let me explain. Oh God, you guys don't know what you're getting yourself into. All right, let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. All right, see. All right, let's talk about this cluster. Let's talk about the RAC cluster. Yes, okay. What's a cluster? Very simply put, a cluster is a cluster of servers acting as one, communicating with one server device. Okay, I'll say it again in a different way. Listen to me very well. Are you all hearing me?
Yep.
Listen to me. A cluster, this is a server, right? Now, this server machine right here is your main server that holds the data, right? Your database. Think of it like, but it's the hardware that holds the actual raw data. Are you guys with me? Okay. Now, the issue is this. What is RAC trying to solve? Very simple. When you started this company, you just had this one database, ORCL, on this one database in your house. No problem. But then you started hiring more people, right? It just became too big. Right? You can't fit this one little server. So what did you do? Now you have to incorporate what? Multiple servers. Right? That's going to handle what? Multiple requests. So for instance, let's say you went from 10 employees to what? 10,000 employees. That's a big jump. So now what did you do? So now these 10,000 now incorporates what? HR employees, accounting department, okay, IT department, okay, and so forth, right? Okay, so now you say, these are 10,000 different, these are 10,000 employees we have. They can't handle, see, all the data used to be here. Are you guys following me? All the data used to be here, right here. You understand that, right? Okay. So now you say, it's too much. This server cannot handle. So you have one or two options. You can increase the server capacity of this, or you can horizontally scale this server. You understand that? You understand that? I'll give you an example. You have McDonald's. McDonald's is doing well. Everything is beautiful. You're making money. Beautiful, right? Now, what do you do as an entrepreneur? Do you now say, okay, I want to create another what? I want to create a second floor on that one McDonald's? No, you scale it. So you say, okay, I'm going to build another McDonald's. Do the same thing this one's doing. I'm going to build another one. That's how you scale it, right? To what? Balance the load. Are you guys with me so far? Okay. So now that we understand what we're solving for, we are solving for multiple things. Now, but before I get to why we're solving it, if I decide, you know what, I'm just going to increase the capacity of this, I got a problem. The fault tolerance. The fault tolerance of this guy is this, and disaster. Fault tolerance and disaster, meaning if anything happens to this guy, we're screwed. If anything happens to this guy that I decided to upgrade to, let's say, a newer machine, bigger RAM, and so on and so forth, we're screwed. So, in order for me to what? Decrease my chances of failure and to avoid disaster, right? Where users can no longer connect, right? Imagine Amazon only has one server. Are you kidding me? So if that one server goes down, that means that's a lot of billions of dollars lost per second. So guess what? We're going to horizontally scale. So what we do, HR users go here. They connect to this node. Accounting departments go here. They connect to what? This node. IT guys, they go here. Connect to what? This node. Are you hearing me? This is what we're doing. Now, when we say this load, now, watch this. Listen to me very well. Listen to me. This is node 2, node 3, node 1. Hear me now. Watch this. In each one of these servers, what is happening is this. Users are connecting through each one of these to get to this guy. Here, where the load is. Are you hearing me? Users are connecting through this guy to connect to this guy. Connecting to this guy to get to this guy to get to this guy. Through what we call the what? The database's instance. That's all. Just an instance. That's an instance. The actual data is not here. The actual data is not here. Initially. Now, as time goes on, now we're getting a little bit deep, but I'm just giving you guys just a general overview. Now, as time goes on, what happens is this. When a user, see, watch this, another thing I need to explain is this, right? All three of these servers are looking at this data the same. It's no different. This is the main thing about RAC. 3 different servers looking at the same database at the same time, no issue. That is the point of RAC. Everybody's seeing the same database here, right? The same way. You can have a cluster of 50 servers, doesn't matter. But they all see the same data the same way. Now, eventually, as data is being used and so on and so forth, right? What happens is there's something called cache fusion. Cache fusion. What that does is simply this, right? It fuses the memory between all 3 nodes inside this cluster, for instance. So that, watch this. If I do a select statement like this, if I do select star from HR.employees. The first time, this guy did it. Right? The first time, this guy did it. Right? Watch this. If somebody else does select star from HR employees from this guy, guess what? He's not going to do a round trip to go to the data. Right? He's not going to go there. What he's going to do is, he's going to ask this guy right here, hey, buddy, do you have what? A select statement called select star from HR employee. Yes, okay, give it to me. It's going to transfer it to there. Guess what? That's what? That select statement, right, has already been calculated everything and will now be put here for future use. That transfer of from here to here is cache fusion. However, the physical element that enables cache fusion, right, to exist is that private NIC card. Woo! So you guys want to do RAC, right? Okay, no problem. Right? So that's that. So, Mr. Coy, do you now understand? Do you now understand why you need that private NIC? Hello, Mr. Coy.
I do understand.
You understand?
Yes.
Very good. So you see that private NIC is very important now. You see why you need the 3 nodes is important now. I just touched just a little bit on it. You're going to need Cat5 cables. You can do Cat 6 cable, that's fine.
Okay, Cat 5.
Cat 5, yeah, you're going to need Cat 5 cables. You're going to need switch
or Cat 6
or a router. You can just get a router, get a minimum 6 port router. But typically make it 8. If you can get 8 and above, that's fine. Because you're only going to leave 2 because one of the ports may be faulty at times. So give yourself some wiggle room. So get like 8 or so. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
So once you have that, you have the mechanisms of the good solid configuration.
Okay.
But you're not there yet.
I know.
Yeah, you're not there yet. So what I'm saying is, before you get there, you need to tackle data guard first.
Okay, I need to work on data guard first before I get to
Data
that
guard,
one.
because with data guard, you can do that on your laptop. With the laptop that we sent you.
Okay.
And data guard will get your brain warmed up. Yeah. Data guard will get your brain warmed up.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Because on an interview, yeah, guys, listen, on an interview, they will come ask you questions like this. Tell me about a rack configuration. Tell me, what's VIP? What's a virtual IP? What's the difference between a virtual IP and a physical IP? Why? Why do I need a virtual IP? For what? You see what I'm saying?
Okay.
Little questions like that. You know, they're going to ask you these questions, right?
Okay.
How do I start and stop my cluster? How do I stop it? How do I put my cluster in archive log mode? How do I do that? What tool am I going to use?
Okay.
Little things like that, they're going to ask you, but you've got to know how to physically set it up first. If I put my private NIC and my public NIC with the same subnet, what's going to happen? Is it going to be a problem or no?
Okay.
Oh, you can't say it.
Okay.
You can't say
Sorry. Another question, please.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, I'm here.
It's gone off.
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay. The private
the private network interface card.
Yes. No, that's a NIC. The private the IP address you used while I was going through it, I tried to use it here because what I'm having here is a 255.0001. Is that the private address?
It doesn't. Well, typically, right? See, the way I teach you how to create your own IP address in your etc host file.
Okay.
Your etc host file. You put it there manually. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
Typically, right? You can either do it with the etc host file, or you do it with the what do you call it? The what do you call it? The what's the thing that they use for round robin? Anyway, it'll come to me. But anyway, the etc host file will never fail.
Okay.
So with the etc host file, you got to put that the same IP configurations in the what? Here, and you have to be able to what? Ping each other.
Okay.
They must be able to ping each other. Okay. So, for instance, your private NIC and your public NIC. I'll give you an example, right? See, I don't care what number. I give you the numbers to put in the video, right? But that subnet has got to be different. So, for instance, the physical what do you call it? The physical IP. Sorry, the public physical.
The public IP address, yeah.
Yes, the public IP, right, will be like 196.168.1.0, 100, for instance, right?
Mm-hmm.
The private has got to be 196.168. something else .100.
Okay. Why I'm asking this question is that you are in Maryland. I'm in Utah, for instance. Will we be using the same IP address?
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
It doesn't matter because nobody's communicating with you per se. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
And listen, this is a configuration network. This is a network confined to this network.
Okay.
Just these three computers. Nobody else is communicating with it.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying?
All right.
And the what you call it? Well, people will be able to on the public with your public IP. Sure, if people can reach you because it's the public. People will be able to reach that server because it's the public. You understand what I'm saying? But private has to be totally different. But I wouldn't worry about it because nobody is who's communicating with you.
Okay.
But anybody anywhere, whether you are in Maryland, Rhode Island, whatever it is, you can use the same one. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Yes. Good question.
Okay.
All right. Who else has a question? Tell me right now.
I have a question.
Mercedes, tell me now.
So I'm trying to get through the week 8 coursework, and I'm noticing that some of it is out of order. I just wanted to confirm with you which ones I'm supposed to be watching first.
What is it? What is it out of order? What do you mean? Tell me.
Because I have installing 12C Oracle software and creating a 12C database are in my week 2 modules.
Okay.
So
you
where,
said week 2?
yeah, so at what point am I supposed to watch those? Does that go in the Oracle 12C or am I supposed to watch that in week 8?
No. Anything 12C related, do it in week 8.
Okay.
Anything 12C related and week 2, okay, yeah. So in week 2, I show you guys how to create databases, I believe, right? Is that the one you're talking about?
Week 2 is supposed to be SQL, but you have installing 12C.
Yeah, you know what?
and-
Just you know what I'm actually gonna do? I'm actually gonna remove that because it seems to confuse a lot of people. I just show people how to create a database, but it's not on your project to do it. You understand what I'm saying? But your database is already created. So what some people do is they create a data, go ahead and create a database anyway, right? But that's not what I'm asking you to do. So just to remove the confusion, I'll remove that creating a database in week 2 out of there, right? Because I cover creating a database in week 5. Are you sure it's not week 5 you're talking about, Mercedes?
It's not in week 5. You have database creation in week 5.
Yes.
You have the notes for it.
No, the video is in week 5 as well. It should be. Last I checked.
And you also
You have database creation notes, but not actually. There isn't a video on creating it.
No, there's not a video on creating database. So okay, so I put it in week 2 and not week 5. Okay, all right, no problem. Then I will switch that to week 5 then, so that it will allay all the confusion because it seems like that's bringing up some confusion. Thank you for pointing that out.
Okay.
Yes.
Also for the in the week 8 videos,
Uh-huh.
am I supposed to go from 11.201 to 11.20.2, the upgrade,
So
and then do the 12C?
yeah, so what I would actually prefer that you do is, I would actually prefer that you install 11.202 fresh. Then upgrade from 11.202 to 11.204. Because there's no need for you to do it 3 times. There's no need to do it 3 times. Just go to 11.202, 11.204, then you can go to 12C.
Okay.
You understand what I'm
You
saying?
also have the first video here for week 8 is how to uninstall the Oracle 12C software from a server.
Yes.
So that should I do that in
No,
week 10?
do you have 12C installed on your server or you don't?
I do not.
Then I'm just showing you how to do it.
Okay.
Yes, I'm just showing you how to do it.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying? So your 11.201, leave it, right? Your 11.202, install a fresh one. Then upgrade to what? 11.204.
Okay, thank you.
Then 12C. Guys, take your time. Take your time. And again, guys, another thing, listen. Another thing about this upgrade, right? Listen. The objective is not necessarily because I'm not with you when you're doing the upgrade. And that could slow you down. And I don't want it to demoralize you. Listen. Try it. Try to get it. And do it the way I asked. Because everybody's computer is different. Also, that's another thing. Because some of you guys, there was one of you guys that had an error that I'd never seen before. You understand what I'm saying? But it didn't happen to me. So I don't want that to be discouraging. But most of you guys, it should be smooth. Right? But the point I'm trying to make is this, right? When you're doing these upgrades, don't be discouraged. Go through the steps. Go through the motions. What's most important moving forward, once you've gotten to week 8, is okay, you've done an upgrade. Fine, at least you can talk about it. No issue. Now, then what I want you to do is I want you to be on 12C to do those projects. You understand what I'm saying? Get on 12C to do those projects. Once you're on 12C and doing those projects, cool. That's what I really want you guys to focus on. But the upgrade, I want you to attempt it and do it. But don't get hung up on it. I want you to know how to do it. It's not hard. What's so hard about it? Just move a couple of files around and then just run your cat upgrade scripts. That's it, right? That's all it is. And sometimes you can even use DBUA to do the upgrade. No issue, right? You can use DBA, no issue, to do the upgrade. So it's not a big deal at all, right? So DBUA, the database upgrade assistant, is something that you can use as well, right? So it's yet another thing that you could do, right? Am I making sense, guys?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Mercedes, did that answer your question?
Yes, thank you.
Beautiful. Good job, Mercedes. Good job. You're pushing. You're pushing. You're pushing. I'm proud of you guys. All right? Who else got a question? Tell me right now. Who's got a question? Nobody has a question. Okay, no problem. Guys, listen. Today is the last day for the advanced class. Okay, don't say I didn't tell you. Mr. Jerry, I've told you. Everybody else that's here, I've told you my own. Today's the last day for advanced class. You guys know the deal. I've been telling you guys this for a month. Okay, but once this stuff after today, you guys go back and check the website. You'll see yourself. Don't say I didn't tell you. Mercedes, you were asking about the Bible. Mr. Coy and Mercedes, you were asking about the Bible, isn't it?
Yeah, I asked about it.
I would look into. You know what? I have to find it and see. I have to look for it. But it's a big one. Oh yeah, I mean, it shows you everything. I mean, it's a good book actually, right? A lot of people in one of my classes they really enjoyed it, right? But if I find it and I'm able to print it out again and create it, I'll ask you guys if you guys still want it, and then we'll make amends to make it happen for you guys. But it's pretty big, right? Where I do everything script wise and everything. So it's up to you guys. So you guys can follow along eventually, and you know it's good. It's good for you, right? Okay. Any questions? Any questions?
So you're gonna add the RAC and data guard after today?
Oh no, RAC and data guard is already there.
You've already upgraded to the new videos?
No. The RAC and data guard is already there with the course that you have now. But we're gonna add more videos.
Yeah.
This weekend. Yeah.
Okay.
So with the new videos, actually, what I'm actually gonna do is for you guys that can't do the buy the physical equipment, right? There's another way that you can do it through Putty. You can create a rack cluster through Putty and stuff, right? On one laptop, you can do that. You understand what I'm saying? You can do that, and I did that, so I'm going to add that as part of it as an option. You understand what I'm saying? It's more robust.
So we can set up a virtual machine on our own private
Absolutely.
laptops? Okay.
Absolutely, you can on your own laptop. You understand what I'm saying? On your own laptop. But now you got to do it the way I do it. And again, guys, remember, when it comes to this, when it comes to the setup, guys, take your time, because I'm not there with you, right? Take your time, I'm not there with you. So you can set up a virtual machine on your laptop, absolutely, because that's what I use, right? So basically, in the new videos, I'm going to show you how to do it physically. I'm also going to show you how to do it virtually as well. So you have the option to decide, okay, which way do you want to go? Which way do you want to go with it? You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, so you have, at least you're flexible if money is a bit tight. So I give you the guys that option as well. You understand? And then there'll be some videos. There'll be some videos on Golden Gate as well. Yeah, some videos on that too. So yeah, you guys are getting your money's worth for real. I mean, shit. RAC, Data Guard, Golden Gate. Yeah. Are you kidding me? No. You guys definitely get your money's worth. You understand what I'm saying? Plus, with the new videos for RAC, yeah, you guys are getting your money's worth. Big time. Right? So by the time you guys are done, right, you guys will be hot. You guys will be hot. You guys will know that no. You can't be offering me 100K. That's just not going. it's not going to work. But you guys need to have that confidence to know that, yes, yeah, I've done the work. I've pushed through. You understand what I'm saying? So that's why I give you guys a lot of work. Yeah, I give you a lot of work so that you go out into the job market hot. No shaking, right? All right. Any other questions? Any other questions? Going once. Going twice.
I have one more question.
Uh-huh.
Can you please send me the solutions to for project 7, please?
For project 7, it should be there, isn't it?
I don't have it in my modules.
Wait, the for project what, 7?
Yeah, which was last week. I just wanted to make sure that I've done everything correctly.
Okay, I'll check and see. I'll check and see.
Okay.
But I thought it's there, but I'll check and see. But also remember, I'll check and see. It should be there, but if it's not, I'll double check again. All right, when I get back to you.
Okay. One last question, please.
Tell me.
In one of the videos, you mentioned the issue of DVDs being sent with the laptops.
Okay.
On RAC. You didn't send any, or am I expecting or not expecting any DVDs?
No, what we can do, we can make a copy for you and send it to you.
Okay, because I don't have.
But before you get there, you're not there yet, sir. You understand what I'm saying? You're not there yet at all. So what I want you to do is perhaps maybe you do it virtually, right? Perhaps you can do it virtually, but you're not there yet. But we can definitely make a copy for you and send it to you.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Very good. But that's why you also have a backup as well, so you can do it virtually on VMs as well.
Okay. Thank you.
Good question. All right. Any other questions? Guys, stay focused. Stay focused. Look, we're about to enter summer. If we're not there already, right? I don't think we're officially in summer yet. I think we are. No, 4th of July is always official summer. I think we're still in spring, right? So, guys, listen. Hey, the next 6 weeks, it's you guys got to stay focused. Stay super focused. Stay super busy, right? If you stay super focused and busy, hey, listen. Hey, it made me money, right? So, guys, right? You know, just put your head down and keep doing what you do, right? And once you're ready, hey, you know, it's time to start applying and all that good stuff, right? All right, since you guys don't have any more questions, then I will see you guys next week, Thursday. And guys, the Monday and Wednesday classes are typically for just, you know, beginners and stuff, right? People that are brand new into who can make it. Anybody can show, but it's typically for people who are, you know, who are brand new to the course and stuff and who just are, you know, getting their feet wet. But the Thursday class, I'll reserve it for, you know, a little bit more advanced questions. Make sense? That way everybody gets a room to, you know, to talk and stuff. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
So guys, another thing, last thing, we're giving referral bonuses, 10% referrals to anyone you send to us, Cash App you, Venmo, whatever it is. We'll send it to you ASAP, boom, 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 right? So anyway, just wanted to share that with you because me, I always like to give back, however way I can. However way I can, I always like to, all right? Okay, if there are no questions, Mr. Kelechi, Mr. Coy, Miss Mercedes, Mr. Jerry, Maya, Mr. Atto, right? All right, then I'll see you guys next week, okay?
Yes, sir.
Cool. All right, everybody have a good night. And guys, keep the new guys and that's new to the squad, keep them motivated. Please respond to whatever questions that they have in the group chat. Mr. Kelechi, I'll leave that up to you. You're the most senior one out of everybody, so I'll leave that up to you to answer all their questions. And you better answer the questions too, right? Watching Mr. Kelechi. Right? All right. So everybody have a good night, have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you guys next week. Okay?
All right, good night, sir.
Okay, everybody have a good night. Bye.
Yeah.